Here with you, and now we will talk about subtraction, and more particularly we'll talk about subtraction word problems. Yes, but before we start, who remembers after this 1 week of holiday, who remembers what does it mean subtraction? What does it mean? Do we get more or do we get less if we subtract? I'm sure everybody replied that we get less. Alright, so what is the main character of our subtraction? How do we call this sign, this red sign? How do we call it? We call it Mr. Minus, yes? Minus. Minus takes away. When we talk about subtraction, that means that we take away something, we get less, something flies away, something disappears. That's all about subtraction, getting less. Yes, and let's remember all the parts of our sentence. Subtraction sentence, yes? The number 5 here represents the biggest number, the number that we had at the beginning, yes, and the number from which we take away. So we call it minuend, yes? The biggest part, minuend. Alright, number 1 here represents a subtrahend. Subtrahend, it's the number which we actually take away, yes? I had 5 apples, I take 1 away, yes? This one, it will be subtrahend. And as an answer, after the sign of equals, yes, this number 4, it shows the difference. It shows the difference, how many left, yes? So today, we will talk about the word problem. So that means that you will have a story, you will have a couple of sentences from which you have to understand which one is the biggest number, which one did we have at the beginning, yes? Then which one we took away, yeah? And then at the end, it's the difference. Yes, it's the difference. So what do we have at the end? Let's try with the first task. And don't forget, or just I will tell you that at the beginning, I will solve the problems with you. The last couple of tasks, you will do it by yourself without my help, yes? Remember, what can we use for our subtraction? We can use our fingers, we can use our head. Remember, yes, 5 in the head, 5, 4. I open one finger because one is taken away. 5, 4. That's why the answer is 4. Yes, we can use our head, we can use our fingers, we can use the objects. Yes, I don't have anything. For example, I have here pencils and pens. So 3 take away 2 will be 1. Yes, I can use different objects. I can draw and then cross or erase. Yes, and one more way of solving the problem, the subtraction problem, is the number line when you go backwards. Yes, so let's see what are the problems. Yes, the first one, if you had 10 glass bottles and 3 of them smashed, yes, broke, smashed, how many of them would you have left? Let's see, how many of them would you have left? So how many bottles have you had at the beginning? There are 10 glass bottles. So number 10, the biggest number, the million, we put at the beginning. Then, how many bottles did we smash? How many bottles we broke? 3 bottles. So the subtrahend will be 3. Yes, now 3 are broken. How many of them would you have left? So what is the answer? 10 take away or 10 and break 3. How many bottles do you have left? Let's see. We had 10 bottles, then 3 are gone. How many bottles are left? There are 7 bottles left. Yeah? Good job. Next task. Again, I will repeat. If you need a little bit more time for counting, for using your head, for using your fingers, please pause the video, do the calculation, and then continue to know the answer. If you had 5 ice cubes, yes, we take 5 ice cubes from the fridge, then 2 of them melted. How many of them would you have left? How many ice cubes would you have left? So you had 5. This is the median, the biggest number, median. Then 2 of them melted. This is 2. So 2 of them disappeared. How many of them would you have left? 5 take away 2. How many do you have left? There are 3 ice cubes left. Alright, next one. If you had 5 little birdies in your garden, look how bright they are. Nice, yes? You had 5 little birdies in your garden, and one of them flew away. You cannot catch it anymore, it flew away. How many birds would you have left? So what's the biggest number here? How many did you have at the beginning? You had 5. This is the median. Then how many birds disappeared, flew away? 1 bird. Yes? So you can see that 1 bird disappeared. So now how many birds would you have left in the garden? How many birds are there? 4 birdies. Yes? Next one. My camera unfortunately covers a little bit. I'll try to move, but you see the cartoon boxes behind my camera, behind my picture over there. So, if you had 12 milk cartons, 12, and you were so thirsty and drink 4 of them, how many of them would you have left? So you have 12, put number 12 in your head. Yes, let's practice this, not only pictures. 12 in your head. How many did you drink? 4. So 12 we count backwards. 12, 11, 10, 9, 8. So what's the answer? 12 is the biggest number. We put it in the place of the median. 4 is the subtrahend. We take away 4. 12, 11, 10, 9, 8. So what's the answer? There are, so there's no answer here. Write it down on the board, on the paper, anywhere. Take a picture and send it to me. Yes? If you had 12 cartons of milk and you finished 4 of them, so how many do you have left? We counted using our mind, our brain, and yes, our head, and then also the pictures might help you. Now, about the jelly beans. Where can I put myself? so it will not cover the pictures. Let's put it here for now. The speaking head. If you had 20 jelly beans, 20 jelly beans, and oh, there's a mistake, and you have eaten, sorry for that, and you have eaten 8 of them, how many of them would you have left? So you have 20, yes, 20. Try to use your head now. Yes, it's very difficult to use our fingers. So 20, 20, 20 in our head. Then we remove 8, or you can show 8 fingers and count. Yes, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12. So also the picture might help. Yes, we have 20 jelly beans, and you have eaten 8. Yes, 8. 8 are gone. No more. So how many jelly beans, jellyfish is same like our dance. How many jelly beans would you have left? Alright, this is your answer. Write it down, show it to me. And one more with the pictures. Then you will have 2 more without pictures. Pictures will help, but then you will have to either draw it by yourself, or you will have to use your head. Yes, use your fingers. If you had 6 books and you have read 3 of them during the vacation, during the holiday, how many of the books would you have left? So the biggest number as a minion, then 3 we take away. So how many books are left? How many more books do you have to read? Yeah? Think, count, send me the answer. And now this is the part where you don't have pictures, so you will have to draw your own pictures or use the fingers. Yes? If you had 10 marbles, yes, these round ones, and 2 of them have rolled away, how many of them would you have left? Think which one is the minion, which one is the biggest number, which one is the number that you are taking away, and give me the answer. Alright, moving on. So, the last task, I think it's the last task, it's all about the plums. Plums, yes, you had 20 plums and you used 13 of them to make jam. Yes, the very delicious sweet jam. How many of the plums would you have left? So 20 you had it at the beginning. Then 13 you already used. How many would you have have in the fridge? Yes, after making jam. Give me the answer. Send me the pictures or the videos so I will see how you're counting. That's it for today. Thank you very much, and I'm sure you did a great job and you worked very hard, so now it's time to have some rest. Yeah? Alright, thank you very much, and I'm waiting for your pictures, for your videos. You're doing an amazing job. I'm very proud of you. Bye!